Amidst the gleaming metal of a sleek Porsche 911 GTS and an aggressive BMW M4 CS, the host's confident smile heralds an epic showdown. The on-screen text blazes with anticipation. Porsche 911 GTS versus BMW M4 CS, the ultimate showdown. A whirlwind of quick cuts illuminates the surrounding screens, each flash revealing the essence of automotive excellence. Bathed in the radiant glow of day, the Porsche 911 GTS stands as a testament to automotive perfection. A voice echoes, reciting the machine's raw power and precision. 3.6-liter twin-turbo flat, 541 horsepower, 610 Nm torque, all-wheel drive, 8-speed auto, 645 kg. The BMW M4 CS dominates the racetrack, its features highlighted with dramatic intensity. Key stats flash across the screen, celebrating the M4 CS's power and performance. AS showcase the M badge, carbon fiber roof, and aggressive stance, highlighting the car's meticulous design. The racetrack becomes a battleground where horsepower clashes with hybrid tech. Tire screeches and roaring engines echo as the cars explode off the starting line, neck and neck in a furious dash for dominance. In a mesmerizing ballet of speed and power, the midpoint of the race unfolds in slow motion. The silent narrator's voice cuts through the roaring engines. Neck and neck, horsepower versus hybrid tech, grip versus grunt. Amidst the post-race excitement, the host stands triumphantly near the finish line, heralding a photo finish. The large screen flashes the results, a stark digital declaration. The Porsche wins, barely 10.7 seconds. With a dramatic flourish, the host announces, "The Porsche edged it, just barely." The host continues with a statement of fact. Both cars clocked 10.7 seconds over the quarter mile. On the racetrack, footage captures exhilarating moments from a rolling race and brake test, showcasing the raw power and precision of racing machines. Amidst the roaring engines and screeching tires, a voice declares, "Rolling races? The BMW surprised us. Brake test? M4 CS stopped like it hit a wall." A bold statement flashes across the screen. BMW wins rolling race, brake test, underscoring their triumph in speed and stopping power.